you doing? I am so bored! Haley! Oh my god. Okay, so I'm at the park with Haley and Jessica, but she's like somewhere else. I don't know where she went. She went like, I don't know.
Did she go that way?
I think she did. But, yeah, I don't know. But someone's calling me and I don't know who it is, Haley.
Just ignore.
I'm ignoring it.
Okay, good.
Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for that. They can just leave a message. I do that all the time. If I don't know you, and like, seriously, like, if I don't know the person, don't leave me a freaking, like, can at least leave a voice message. It's so stupid.
Well, maybe they think that you know them, but you don't.
Well, they can still leave a voice message. But, whatever. So, look at the sky. You can't even see. Haley. That's Haley.
Yep, it's me.
And I got a voice message. Get your phone. Okay, hold on one second. I'm gonna call it. What is this? Talking wires? Who uses? I don't know. It's an unknown caller. Okay, people. That was probably a prank call. I have so much fun with prank calls. Like they're prank calling me, and yet I have fun with it. The flush toilets. Seriously? A flush toilet. Okay, guys, you seriously don't know who that is?
No. No, I don't.
Jessica's back.
Don't fall.
Jessica, someone just freaking called me and left a freaking voicemail.
Oh, really? Jessica.
It was so gay.
Ow.
They wanted to know if I had a flush toilet. Because...
Is it a chick or a dude?
Some freaking dude. No, his voice is really scary.
I want to hear it.
Okay, well, here you go. Okay, listen.
Yeah.
I was calling because you're the only other person I know who's got a flush toilet. I was wondering when you flush, does the water always spin around in the same direction?
What the fuck? What an idiot.
It's kind of freaking me out too. So, back there, quit flushing.
That's so gross.
He's freaking out.
Okay, anyway, so why do people even prank call? Because their life is that boring. So they say dirty stuff. Well,
oh my god, you're almost kicking me in the face. Oh,
yeah, well, you have a flushing toilet. Jessica, do you have a flushing toilet?
No, I don't.
Does that mean you don't flush it ever? And you got another problem?
Yeah, I have an outhouse. I'm just kidding.
Yeehaw, everybody!
Swing.
You
I
gotta
wanna push
push.
you.
Wait, hold on.
I'll push you.
She's gonna push me. I'm gonna fall off. Oh,
I'm sorry.
You just flung rocks at me. Okay, this is me, Brown.
Wait, I want to leave.
Saying peace out, babies. Wow. Okay, peace out. Word to your homos.